How to fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. Let's get started. First up, what you have to do is click on the search bar given at the bottom left. Then over there type in firewall and then search for it. Now click on this option firewall and network protection. Now click on the option domain network. Disable for this option Microsoft Defender Firewall. Head back, do the same for other options as well. Next up, now I can close this. In the search box, type in check for updates and then search for it. Click on check for updates. You will be directed to this page. If you find any available updates for your device, just update it to its latest version by clicking on the option download and install. With this, your problem might be fixed. Now, heading to our next solution, open your browser in which you are having this issue. Then, click on the three dots given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of extensions. Click on manage extensions. In this page, you're going to find the list of the extensions. Now go ahead and remove any of the extension that you think is causing this issue. Just you have to click on the option of remove. Again, click on remove. With that, the extension will be removed. Heading towards next solution, head back. Click on three dots again. Now navigate to the option of settings. Open it. Once you're on this page, navigate to the option of privacy and security. Now go ahead and click on the option delete browsing data. Now check in for all these options, browsing history, cookies and cache. Then click on the option of delete data. Once you do this, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you have to do is close this, then scroll down, navigate to the option of about Chrome. Make sure the browser you are using is up to date. If you find any available updates over here, just update it to its latest version, and that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.